Good afternoon, guys. And as H35 pulls in here at platform 2, I'd like to welcome you all back to the channel. Today we are at Gosford Station, in case you guys didn't recognise, on the Central Coast network. As you guys would have seen in the title today, there are no VSETs operating on the Central Coast to Newcastle line. So all intercity services connecting Central Station and Newcastle Interchange will be run by Oscars today. So I just want you guys to sit back. It's been a while since I've posted, but we are back on track here. So I'd like you all to enjoy the train today. Sit back and enjoy. Now, coupled up to H35 is one of our older Oscar sets, H16, which is trailing for this 8-car Oscar service to Newcastle Interchange. We've got another 8-car H set just pulling in across from me here at platform 1, led by a H26. Coupled up to H26, we have H27 trailing. Now departing, we have H42 and H11 bound for Wyong. We now have XP 2011 pulling the returning Grafton service, bound for Central out of platform 1 here. And XP 2011 is the trailing power car. Just out of frame here, we have Oscar set H48 pulling into platform 1 on an express service to Central. And the trailing Oscar set is H43. Ooh, yeah, this guy in front of us here needs to keep his shirt on. Now departing platform 2, we have Oscar sets H6 and H52 on an all-station service to Newcastle interchange. We have locomotives NR10, NR47 and NR41 pulling this freight train through platform 1 here. We have another freight train zooming past us here on platform 2, led by NR104 and NR36. And that is Oscar set H22 about to pull up beside me here at the end of platform 1. We have the driver closing his cabin door now, so this train should be departing any second now. The trailing set is H24. We have another Wyong service pulling in at platform 2, right next to me here, led by Oscar set H46. And the rear 4 cars are H41. Now departing platform 1, we have the returning Northwest Armadale Warrior Explorer pointing out here right next to me. After Gosford, this train will stop at Wyong, only to drop off passengers. Train through platform 2 was CEY6 and CEY7. We have Oscar sets, H11 and H42 returning to Central from an earlier Wyong service. Just had the doors withdrawn back, so I'm going to assume someone tried to jump on the train while the doors were closing. But they're closing properly now, and H11 should be leading this 8-car Oscar out of platform 1 now.
Then Hamilton and Newcastle interchange.
That was H15 and H47 trailing, bound for Wyong. And that was XP Power Car 2012 doing the daily afternoon Brisbane XPT here into platform 2 with XP Power Car 2008 trailing. After Gosford, this XPT will stop at Fassifern, Broadmeadow, then Maitland.